In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your Windows Defender antivirus. First thing we need to do, we need to click on Start and type Windows Security, and then click on Windows Security app. And in here, we need to click on Virus and Threat Protection. And right here, we need to click on Manage Settings. And right here, we need to turn off real-time protection. And once you do that, you'll get this message. You'll have to confirm, click on Yes. And this is going to disable real-time protection. And basically your antivirus is turned off. But next time when you restart your computer, it's going to turn on real-time protection automatically. And if you want permanently to disable your Windows Defender antivirus, what we need to do, we need to disable tamper protection, and then we can minimize this. And then we need to click on Start, and we need to type GP Edit. And then we need to open Edit Group Policy in Control Panel. And right here, I'm going to maximize this. And right here, we need to click on Administrative Templates, expand that, and then expand Windows Components, and then scroll down, and then find Windows Defender Antivirus. And right here, we need to double click on Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus, double click on it. And in here, we need to click on Enable, and then click Apply, and then OK. Now we can close this window. And then if we open our Windows Security Antivirus, and then if we click on Virus and Threat Protection, and right here you can see that service has been stopped and it's asking you to restart now. And if you're going to restart, it's not going to start automatically. And if you're going to change your mind, you'll have to go back to GP Edit. And then in here, same thing. Go to Admin Templates, Windows Components, and then Windows Defender Antivirus, and then double click on Turn off Windows Defender Antivirus. And right here, just set to Not Configured and Apply, and then click OK. And once you restart your system, your Windows Defender is going to be running again. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.